Today we are going to visit the Central Florida Railroad Modelers in Orlando. That's coming right up, so stick around. Hi, I'm Roy Smith. If you've been watching my recent videos, then you know that I returned to Panama from a 12-day trip to Florida not long ago. During that trip, I visited 5 model railroad clubs in the Orlando and Tampa Bay areas. These are the 5 clubs I visited. As I said, we are going to visit the Central Florida Railroad Modelers today. It's number 3 on the list, the one highlighted in red. I last visited this club for the first time 4 years ago, back in November 2014, and I have to tell you, it really was great fun to get back to the club and spend time with some friends in the hobby there. The club's layout occupies a 2,000 square foot layout room in northwest Orlando. This is a wide-angle view of what you see when you walk into the layout room. This photo comes from the club's website. What a spectacular layout, incredibly detailed. And here's the club's track plan. Just take a look around the plan. Now, let me show you around the layout itself. The club was formed in 1947 and has occupied its present location since 2003. It is an HO scale layout set in West Virginia sometime between 1945 and 1965. The main line is double-tracked. Trains can run point to point or continuously on the layout. The layout is powered by Digitrax DCC.
you find any blood.
The club holds operating sessions on the second Saturday of every month and open houses at least 3 times a year. If you want to visit the club, the best time to do so is on Saturday afternoons from noon to 4:30 p.m., since this is when the club is most active. As a courtesy to the club, though, you should request permission to visit rather than just dropping in unannounced. If you get to Orlando, I highly recommend that you visit the club. You won't be disappointed, I guarantee it. I'll put links to the club's website and Facebook page down below. Check out those links for more information about the club. There's also a bunch of videos about the club on YouTube. Next Saturday, we're going to visit the Tampa Bay Model Railroad Club, and I hope you will also come along for the visit to that club. I want to thank you for hanging out with me at the Central Florida Railroad Modelers today. If you enjoyed it as much as I did, I encourage you to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming episodes. It's always a pleasure to share the hobby of model railroading with you. Well, until next time, thanks for watching and happy railroading. I'm Roy Smith, and I will see you again very soon.